Hello everyone, my name is Emrah Karadere. I'm working as Head of Turkey Operations in Blockearner. Blockearner is founded in 2021 in Australia originally, and we are operational, we got Turkey operations operational in December 2022. By that time we are operational in 2 countries so far. And as the main part of our company vision, actually we say that and we believe that money as we know it is about to change, and Block Earner is here to build a bridge between the old money and new money, in other words, in traditional finance and blockchain finance. So when we look at the finance evaluating with getting its internet upgrade, we see that increasing crypto users are very similar. We have a very beautiful correlation between the increase of crypto users and internet users at the beginning of its technology emerge. So also with is getting the evolution of the finance, I think it's obvious that we see the stable coins also speeding up the process for the evolution of the finance. Because when you get the stable coins, you actually convert your physical money sitting in your bank account into a digital asset, tokenized asset, and you can directly go into the blockchain finance, and you get the advantage of lots of cool features actually. So this is a catalyst for evolution of the finance, and stable coins play a very crucial role in that one. So okay, we are evaluating, the finance is evaluating, but what does it mean for the users, everyday users? What's in it for them, for us? Is it really that easy to understand the blockchain finance dynamics and directly use those functionalities, use those features? The answer is actually we are getting there, but it's a definite no at the moment, to be honest, because there are obviously everyday users need access to these new money concepts, but according to the current options we have in our hands, it's not really that much easy, because we have traditional finance institutes and the crypto native businesses at the moment in order to fill that gap. But both of them have some downsides actually. The financial institutions, the traditional ones, getting very slow on the adaptation of this new technology, and the crypto native businesses assume that all the users have equipped with some technical knowledge and some trading knowledge. So these both options are not actually serving the cause at the moment. But this is good for us, Block Earner, because this is where Block Earner steps in, and we just try to fill the gap here and building the bridge between the old finance and new finance, and we let our users to cross that bridge to the other side and enjoy the benefits of the blockchain finance actually. So how we are doing that? Actually, it's so much easy in Block Earner to access blockchain finance and use the benefits. You just need to have a bank account. You just open a Block Earner account, and then just directly transfer your physical money sitting in your bank account with your local currency, of course. And then after you open the account and reach the Block Earner platform, then you just do that, and you just reach these dashboards you see in the screen. This is a real demonstration of our product, which is running in production at the moment actually. So you just have 4 pillars of products here: cash, investment, saving, and also loans. Loans is a little bit different story. It's not regulated in Turkey at the moment, but anyway, we are developing the product and we are putting it into our product portfolio. And whenever the regulation and the environment is ready in Turkey, we can just roll out the product to Turkish users as well. So this is a different story here, but all the other products are okay to use in Turkey as well. So beyond these 4 pillars of product, also we are developing a vault product at the moment. and we are actually adding insurance clause on top of that one, and we are aiming to serve those products to long-term holders and also the users that we have who has really concerns about the security and the location of their assets where we store them. So this is another look. This is a technical aspect of what we are doing. Of course, I will not be going into the details of this technical slide, but this is actually displaying that there are lots of cool stuff, easy stuff in the front end, but in order to make those possible, we are actually having a tremendous effort in the back end with our development, with our engineering team. So I'm really proud to display those one. And we can clearly say that under the hood there are lots of integrations and a robust infrastructure here. Because in order to make those products happen, we have lots of integration in the backend. We have some bank integrations, we have payment gateway integrations, we have exchange integrations, actually some kind of cold storage company third-party integrations, etc., etc., so far on. So this is what we are actually building in the backend. I would like to show that to you also. And also for as the brand positioning, why we are building the products on those 4 product pillars, because we see that all of the products that we are serving at the moment, the payment, savings, loans, remittance, etc., these are all major products in traditional finance actually. But with the evolution of the blockchain finance, when we look at the development of the industry from the Bitcoin paper up to this day, we see that those functionalities, those features, those products are migrating from traditional finance to blockchain finance. And actually, they are creating a $1 trillion expanding market here. So it's a good place to be at the moment. It's a good place to build products on that one. So this is why we are positioning there. And in terms of functionality positioning, as I mentioned before, there are 2 types of institutions, 2 types of businesses at the moment: traditional business and also the crypto businesses. Actually, as block earner, we are trying to create a sweet spot, perfect spot for our users to be in a midway in order to integrate themselves, integrate their assets with the blockchain finance and traditional finance. Because we are doing that in Block Earner, and we are capable of doing that in Block Earner, because we are building product for everyone. Every technical knowledge, the users from every technical usage can use us. It's easy to use. We are building simple products, and we are actually supporting multi-currency fiat and crypto tokens and stables. And we are enabling instant asset transfer. We are having investment options with a diversified portfolio. You can invest in crypto, you can invest in NFTs, and also other tokenized assets, which is coming soon. And also lending, borrowing, and staking and DeFi suite options of DeFi are also enabling in our platform. So these are a little bit details of what we are serving to our customers, what we have in the product actually, a little bit details. As I mentioned, we have Save product, and with Save product actually you have directly access to DeFi platforms, decentralized finance platforms, and it is not a good, not an easy task if you are doing that by yourself, because in order to access DeFi platforms, you need to have some wallet installations. You need to transfer money from there to there, from exchanges to your wallet, etc., etc. Lots of steps, lots of actually costs because of the transaction fees. But within our platform, actually you just log into platform, you directly have the access to DeFi. You don't pay for large gas fees for transactions, and you can directly access and use the benefits of variable yield costs, variable gain costs, earning costs from DeFi platforms, major DeFi platforms like Aave and Compound. By doing this, you don't have any lockdown, lock-in period as well. You can just go invest your money, take the profit out of that, and go outside anytime you want, actually. So this is the Invest product also. Actually, in Invest products, we have a couple of products, not only one product, because as I mentioned, we would like people to diversify their investments from different assets, and we enabling to invest in crypto tokens, obviously. Now we have more than 50 plus tokens, major tokens in our platform. It's about to change to 100 plus tokens, and we are revising from time to time our assets, and we are listing or delisting the tokens based on their performance, based on their risk categories, etc. So coming soon, we would like to have an NFT marketplace. It's also nothing done so far. You need to again have your wallets. You need to go to some other marketplaces, connect your wallet, do some transactions, etc. By doing that in Block Earner, we just allow you to invest with your Turkish lira to NFTs. And also, we have another product going on. You will be having shopping transactions, and you will be actually saving crypto. Spend and you get your crypto bonuses in Block Earner platform. And we will be doing that with some partners we have in Turkey, of course. And we will allow people to list their favorite brands, go have some shopping from their brands with their credit card, their fiat money, whatever they pay. But as a return, we will be having a cashback mechanism, and this cashback mechanism will allowing our users to save Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever token they would like to save, actually. So this is a cool feature coming soon. And as I mentioned, Block Earner Vault is coming soon. Block Earner Vault is something, again, I didn't see any example of it so far. We will be just combining the trading platform with a cold storage security platform, actually. So you can directly buy and sell your crypto assets from our platform. But if you want, we will be providing you an option to withdraw your assets to a multi-signature cold wallet solution. And by doing that, you will have your keys, you will know where is your assets are holding in. So whenever you want, and if you don't want to move your assets, if you don't want to bother with your assets, no one can reach without your permission. And also we are putting an insurance clause on top of that product as well. It's like a cherry on the cake, but I think that it would really make a difference here. So this is our flywheel. After the products, actually this is displaying, demonstrating how the things are generally going on. Actually, we are creating a diversified revenue stream with multiple channels, multiple products. And also, we are trying to expand our business. We are aiming to expand our business to other emerging markets, like we did in Turkey just before Australia. Now we are thinking of expanding it to India and UK. These are our mid to long-term plans. So that's how the things are going on in general. Last but not least, last slide is about our valuable investors and also advisors along with our management team. We have two founders, Jordan and Charlie. Apurva and myself are responsible for general execution. And also we have very prestigious investors. Obviously, you can see that Framework, VC, and Coinbase Ventures are two major VCs in the industry. And along with them, we have angel investors. For example, the key figures in the industry like Mr. Emin Günsirer and also Ken Warwick are also in the team. They are also backing us. And we are very glad to have all of them on board in Block Earner, because having them is just adding a value to our business in general also. So That's all from me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Please do not hesitate to interact the QR codes in the screen. Get in touch with me. Sign up to Blog Corner, and feedbacks would be very welcome. Thank you very much.